Guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, today's video is like really fun and exciting. In fact, मैंने ये ऐसा video कभी past में नहीं किया and this is my first time when I'm doing like reviewing shirts from Myntra. All these shirts I'm actually gonna open right in front of you guys and then I'm gonna style them. All the shirts are from different aesthetics you can say. Some are fun, cool, casual, officey, bossy, brighty, summery. तो ये सब कुछ होने वाला है. It's gonna be really, really, really fun try on. You can say so. Stay tuned and I will be linking all the shirts I've ordered from Myntra. In fact, जिस भी bottom wear के साथ में मैं पहन रही हूँ ना उसको भी मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि लिंक कर दूं so that it's easy for you guys to figure it out and किसके साथ में पहना है क्या पहना है and for references मैं मेरे sizes भी आपको mention कर दूंगी screen पे. All the essential details will be right there on the screen, so yeah, check out this video till the end because I know I've ordered some really good pieces. Stay tuned. Okay, so first up we have kind of my favorite. This is what this shirt looks like. If you've been following me religiously, you know I've never worn shirts. They've never been my personal favorite style, but let's see how this one looks on me. Love the color, prints, everything. Let's try it on. Okay, so जब मैं इसको देख रही थी, it was looking very boxy, very stiff style wala, but now that it's on, it looks so perfect. And you can also like keep the buttons open, wear like a nice spaghetti or something. Wide भी पहन सकते हो. अभी मैंने इसको स्टाइल करा हुआ है शॉर्ट्स के साथ में. It looks equally good. इसका फैब्रिक डिजाइन बहुत ज्यादा रिच कहते हैं ना, वैसा वाला कुछ लग रहा है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्राइस पॉइंट ऑल्सो इट्स अ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव, लाइक अराउंड 600 प्लस में, बट या लव द कलर. इसमें मल्टीपल पैटर्न्स आपको मिल जाएंगे टू चूज फ्रॉम, बट एज फार एज द फर्स्ट पीस इज कंसर्न, लाइक दिस शर्ट so good. This one is more summery, it's floral, it's cute, it's very girly, it's very light, like fabric is also very fun. It's just that you have to be very smart in terms of what lingerie you are pairing with this one. This particular shirt can also be used as a cover up. Not sure, but हाँ shorts वगैरह के साथ में तो pair करेंगे तो अच्छी लगेगी. Let me try this out. So I really love the shirt and especially I'm wearing like my nude basic bra that matches my skin tone. So उसके साथ में आपको और कोई झंझट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. This looks really good and it's very summery because of the fabric and the way it feels. Very floral, बहुत ज्यादा fun है. I can see myself styling in like you know beaches और ये like इधर उधर भी, other than wearing it my office या फिर कुछ ऐसे casual meetings में. Lunches वगैरह के लिए भी बहुत perfect है. What I love the most is like अभी ये जो look निकल के आया है ना, it's like more vintagey because I was assuming these pants to be a little high waisted, तो और ज्यादा amazing लगता है ये look. But yeah, as it is also they look really really nice and it's also you know another versatile piece I can say. आप इसको you know as a cover up भी पहन सकते हो, at least during summers. वो बहुत amazing है because why to waste some more money in like cover ups and all, where you can simply throw on these kind of shirts and price wise भी काफी decent है ये. तो yeah, you can check this out. Now this one, as mentioned already, this has to be my favorite color. It's got puffy sleeves, a little thoda balloon style sort of है इसका, but the color is nice, mandarin color, and love the fabric also. Touch में तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और इसको black के साथ में pair करेंगे, it's gonna look very classy and it's like for all those fun days. I think office में भी consider कर सकते हो because this looks really nice with like sleek belt or something. Let me try this on because ये color is my favorite. इस color की मेरे पास बहुत सारी dresses हैं and I really love wearing all of them. So yeah, now let me try this on. Wow, this looks good, especially this is my color as I've already said. Especially makeup हो रखा है, hair done है, तो और भी ज्यादा cool अच्छा लग रहा है. And I really like how it is versatile. Like you can definitely wear it to office the way I've styled it, या फिर ऐसे ही black या फिर denim shorts के साथ में पहन के आप उसको गोवा भी पहन के जा सकते हो, बीच पे भी जा सकते हो. दिस इज दैट फन कलर और इसमें क्या पिक्चर्स आती हैं, लाइक लव दैट. स्पेशली दिस शर्ट इज अवेलेबल इन लाइक 4 more कलर्स. इसमें डेनिम टोन्स भी आपको मिल जाएंगे, सो आप उसमें भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. सिंस आई वांटेड समथिंग लाइक दिस वेरी ब्राइट फूशिया, सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस. एंड ये ऑफिस के लिए भी बहुत परफेक्ट है. एज इट इज आप उसको पहन के जा सकते हो फॉर द प्राइस पॉइंट एंड द वे इट लुक्स, स्टाइलिंग, मिनिमल sort of जो भी है. I love this and I think you can try this definitely. We have 2 more shirts. Then we have this abstract print के साथ में. Honestly, it looks manly to me, but yeah, let's try this on because I really don't know what to say, or it's been long since I ordered them. बहुत टाइम हो गया इन चीजों का आए हुए, but हाँ इतना नहीं कि मैं इनको return exchange ना कर पाऊँ because ultimately I cannot have all of them in like wrong sizes and wrong patterns. So yeah, let's try this. Here's the truth. Like I was really confused, like what to pair this shirt with. Then I ended up wearing like this denim skirt, जिसके लिए मुझे बहुत सारे DMs आते हैं. This I got from Urbanic, now known as Savannah. Long back, और इसमें मैंने साइज लिया था 32, which used to fit me like, क्योंकि इलास्टिकेटेड वेस्ट बैंड है तो ये स्ट्रेच भी हो जाती है. This looks really nice. Full focus on the shirt back again because this is what the video is all about. This shirt I am like little confused. जब मैंने ऐप पे देखा था तब मुझे बहुत ज्यादा स्मार्ट लग रही थी. ऐसा नहीं है, स्मार्ट है अभी भी. It just that मुझे क्लिक नहीं हो रहा कि मैं इसको कैसे स्टाइल करूं. That's about it. Let's move on to the next shirt. I have one more shirts which looks really busy to me. ये top ज़्यादा लग रहा है than a shirt, but it's got really frill, nice detailings all over it. So and in fact neck पे भी काफी कुछ अच्छा है. इसको भी किसी solid bottom के सामने wear करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And you know sometimes just shirts cannot be like very boring. This looks fun to me. इसको भी try करते हैं. Fabric looks nice to me and all of them are under almost 500-600 rupees. So ज़्यादा इतना भी नहीं है. Let me try this on and let's see how this one looks on me. Okay, so मैं बहुत टाइम से सोच रही थी ये वाली लाइन मैं कहाँ बोलूँ. So एक होता है कपड़े पहनना और एक होता है उनको थोड़ा सा स्टाइल करना. It's just a shirt, obviously a basic shirt, but आपके पास में अगर bottom wears में थोड़ा सा आपके पास में variety है ना, you can definitely make that look pop. Look really like amp up कर सकता है वो look को. So मैंने यहाँ पे पेयर करी है. It's very casual. आप इसके साथ में shorts भी पहन सकते हो, आप इसके साथ में long line pants भी पहन सकते हो. But I decided to wear these like you know knotted skirt. Now this one is not from Myntra, but you can definitely find similar pieces on Myntra in case. But ये मैंने समाना से ली थी, पहले Urbanic था तो मैंने वहां से दी थी. So this is what this shirt looks on me. इसके काफी सारे busy prints हैं and yes I agree that it's not a shirt, it's actually a top, but a very nice shirt looking वाला top है ये. And I think summers में ऐसे fun colors बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, especially with like you know colored eyeliner and all of it. Like I can already like imagine कि वो कैसा लगने वाला है इस look के साथ में. So yeah, for the price point I think this looks nice and yeah, nothing much to say on this. Lastly we have this white ruffle shirt you can say, although it's a top but मैंने इसको स्टाइल करा हुआ है यहाँ पे एक knotted beige कलर की स्कर्ट के साथ में. This has to be one of the favorite looks overall. ये head to toe बहुत ज्यादा smart लग रहा था. Love the ruffle detailing on the collar and also on the sleeves. It's got sheer pattern on the sleeves but has lining, so see through का कोई stress नहीं है. मैंने इसमें लिया था small size and it is again under a price of 500 rupees, which is amazing. Okay guys, with that we've come to an almost end of this video. This was it, what I wanted to showcase in like Myntra shirt haul, and you see me in a different attire because we are doing another haul that's all about Myntra dresses, and this is one of that very viral dress का भी haul बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है. So stay tuned. I have linked all the products in the description box below for the shirt video. So सारी details होंगी description box में. Make sure you check them out. And now I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, खुद का ध्यान रखिए, खुद से प्यार करिए. कोई और category हो which you want me to explore, try, do, review, like put on, like अगर मेकअप है, स्किन केयर है तो let me know. like उसको भी mention करिए comment section में. और ये भी याद रखिए, love you all so much.